this occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi, let's wish for the wellness of everyone. May Lord Ganesha bless us all. Today in this video I am sharing the recipe for Modak, which is the favorite dish of Lord Ganesha. It is a South Indian dumpling made from rice flour and the filling is made from jaggery and coconut. With that, let's begin with the recipe. Here I have taken 1 cup of water in a kadhai. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee in the water and a pinch of salt. As the water gets hot, start adding rice flour into it. Add slowly and keep mixing while you add. Mix very well. Add 2 more tablespoons of water if it takes more water for mixing. You will see the mixture has now become lumpy. Switch off the flame and cover it. Let the mixture cook in the steam. After 5 minutes, open the lid and knead the dough. Keep kneading while it's still hot. You can put your hands in water, then knead it. In about 5 minutes of kneading, you will get a well combined dough. Take it out in an open plate, knead for another 2 minutes. To check if it's done, make a ball, and if there is no crack in the ball, then it is done. Cover the dough with a cloth so that it doesn't become dry. Now for the filling, in a kadhai, take half tablespoons of ghee. After the ghee melts, take 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. Saute it well for 1 minute. Add 1 cup of jaggery to it and mix well. Add the bowl of mixture in it and rotate it like this to make the modak. Do the same process with all the modaks. Now to steam the modaks, prepare a steamer or you can use idli maker. Grease the container before placing the modaks in it. Steam for 7 to 10 minutes on low to medium flame and take them out in a serving plate. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, please press the subscribe button, like, share and comment down below if you have any doubt. I'll see you with another video. Till then, bye bye.